20 years. Dedicated to one thing. TIMEWAY. Rooted in Shenzhen. Focuses on the mobile display industry. Building a solid foundation through R&D and manufacturing. Every breakthrough stems from our relentless pursuit of quality. Here, the refinement of every pixel comes from a broader vision, creative synergy, and a relentless pursuit of perfection. From concept to detail, from ideas to action, we earn every trust with professionalism and precision. Principles gain true value only through repeated validation. Here, every standard is examined with rigor and systematic precision. Real-world scenarios reveal performance, while professional processes refine every result. Ensuring quality is not just stated, but proven.
When it comes to the quality, we never compromise. Every process, every detail reflect our commitment to reliability and accuracy. TIMEWAY delivering every promise with professionalism and sincerity.
Consensus is gradually formed through rational discussion. Standards are continuously established through rigorous decision-making. Professionalism is accumulated through repeated collaboration.
We have over 20 years technical expertise.
From R&D and design to sales, we provide integrated mobile phone LCD solutions, with quality remaining our core focus. With a 30,000 square meters automated factory, 5 production lines and 1 VIP line operate in parallel, supported by a strict quality control system to ensure stable capacity and reliable delivery. In a Class 100 cleanroom environment, precise bonding and OCA lamination eliminate air bubbles to ensure a crystal clear display. Each screen undergoes rigorous color and performance testing, complemented by comprehensive protection, ultimately delivering reliable quality.
TIMEWAY, solid craftsmanship, reliable products. We'll look forward to partnering with you.
TIMEWAY, driving development with technology, creating a thriving ecosystem through win-win collaboration. TIMEWAY will remain true to its mission, growing hand in hand with partners, shaping a global brand legacy together. TIMEWAY, revealing a truer world for you.